Question: Find whether the following pair of linear equation is consistent or inconsistent. 3x plus 2y is equal to 8, 6x minus 4y is equal to 9. Here a1 upon a2 is equal to 3 upon 6 is equal to 1 upon 2, b1 upon b2, 2 upon minus 4 is equal to minus 1 upon 2, कटाने पर c1 upon c2 8 upon 9. Since a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, 1 by 2 है, a1 upon a2 का वैल्यू b1 upon b2 का माइनस 1 by 2 है. These two are not equal, therefore this is consistent. Since a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, therefore it is consistent. Question 22. In the given figure, if ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD parallel to EF, AB is parallel to EF parallel to CD, then prove that AE upon ED, AE upon ED is equal to BF upon AFC, BF upon AFC. Join which intersect EF at O. In triangle ABD, since EO is parallel to AB, therefore AE upon ED is equal to BO upon OD. Number 1. In triangle BCD, since OF is parallel to DC, therefore BF upon FC is equal to BO upon OD. Number 2. From 1 and 2, right hand sides are equal, therefore left hand side are equal. AE upon ED is equal to B upon FC. Proved. Question 22 R. In figure, if AD is equal to 6, AD is equal to 6 centimeter, DB is equal to 9 centimeter, DB is equal to 9 centimeter, AE is equal to 8 centimeter, AE is equal to 8 centimeter, and EC is equal to 12 centimeter, EC is equal to 12 centimeter, and angle AD is equal to 48, angle ADE is equal to 48 degree. Find angle ABC. We have to find angle ABC. This angle we have to find. AD upon DB is equal to 6 upon 9 is equal to 3 से कटा दिया 2 upon 3. AE upon AC 8 upon 12, 4 से कटा दिया 2 by 3. Number 2. From 1 and 2, right hand sides are equal, therefore left hand sides are also equal. AD upon DB is equal to AE upon AC. In triangle ABC, AD upon DB is equal to AE upon AC. Therefore, by converse of BPT, DE is parallel to BC. बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनल थ्योरम के कन्वर्स से DE will be parallel to BC. Therefore, these two angles are equal. corresponding angles. D is parallel to BC and AB is transversal. Therefore, these two corresponding angles will be equal. ABC is equal to angle ADE. BC is parallel to DE and AB is transversal. Now ADE is given 48. Therefore, answer angle ABC is equal to 48. Answer. Question 23. The length of a tangent from a point A at a distance 5 cm from the center of the circle is 4 cm. Find the radius of the circle. सर्कल के सेंटर से 5 सेंटीमीटर दूरी पर एक पॉइंट ए है। यहाँ से टेंजेंट का लेंथ 4 सेंटीमीटर है। रेडियस हमें ज्ञात करना है। हियर ओ ए इज इक्वल टू 5 सेंटीमीटर, ए पी इज इक्वल टू 4 सेंटीमीटर, लेंथ ऑफ टेंजेंट radius OP we have to find. Since tangent is perpendicular to radius, therefore angle APO is 90 degree. Tangent from outside point is perpendicular to radius. Therefore, angle OPA is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, in right angle AOP, OP square plus AP square is equal to OA square. Sum of squares of other two sides equal to square of hypotenuse. OP square R square, AP 4 centimeter 4 square, OA 5 square, R square equal to 25 minus 16 is equal to 9. Therefore, taking square root R is equal to 3 centimeter. Answer. Question 24. Evaluate sin square 60 degree plus 2 tan 45 degree minus cos square 30 degree. We know that sin 60 is root 3 by 2 square plus tan 45 is 1, 2 into 1 minus cos 30 is root 3 by 2 स्क्वायर है, यहाँ भी स्क्वायर कर दिया, इज इक्वल टू 3 by 4 प्लस 2 माइनस 3 by 4, रूट 3 का स्क्वायर 3, 2 का स्क्वायर 4, 3 by 4 माइनस 3 by 2 कैंसिल 2. आंसर. क्वेश्चन 25. फाइंड द डायमीटर ऑफ ए सर्कल whose area is equal to the sum of areas of two circles of radii 40 centimeter and 9 centimeter. Radius of big circle is R, capital R. Radius of one of smaller circle is R1 and radius of other smaller circle is R2. Let radius of bigger circle is capital R, centimeter. Radius of biggest circle is capital R, centimeter. Then area of biggest circle is pi r square is equal to area of first circle of radii 40 centimeter is pi into 40 centimeter square plus area of second circle pi 9 square. पाई आर स्क्वायर इक्वल टू पाई कॉमन ले लिया 40 स्क्वायर प्लस 9 स्क्वायर 81. 5 cancel, r square is equal to 1600 plus 81 is equal to 1681, r square is equal to taking square root, r is equal to 1681. Let us find square root of 1681. पेयर बनाया दाएं से बाएं. We have to write a number whose square is 16 or less. 4 4s are 16 माइनस 0. 4 को यहाँ ऐड करेंगे 8. ये पेयर यहाँ पर लिख दिया 81. यहाँ और यहाँ सेम डिजिट लिखना है ताकि इस नंबर और डिजिट का प्रोडक्ट 81 आए. तो वहाँ लिखना पड़ेगा 81 into 1 is equal to 81. Therefore, by division method, square root is 41. Diameter is 2r. (82 centimeter). R. A chord of circle of radius 10 centimeter subtend at right angle at the center. Find the area of minor segment. Use phi is equal to 3.14. Radius r is 10 centimeter. Area of minor segment. This is minor segment is equal to area of sector OAB minus area of triangle OAB. This triangle is right triangle. Area of this sector is theta by 360 into pi r square. Area of triangle OAB. Area of this right triangle is 1 by 2 base into altitude. 1 by 2 base is OA, altitude is OB. R into R. Theta is 90 degree. 360. Pi r square. Pi is 3.14. R is 10. 10 square minus 1 by 2. 10 into 10, 10 square is equal to 100 है तो 314 by 4 minus 50. 100 by 2 50 equal to 23.5 centimeter square. Answer. Question 26. Prove that root 3 is an irrational number. हमें सिद्ध करना है कि रूट 3 एक अपरिमेय संख्या है. इसके विपरीत मान लिया रूट 3 रेशनल नंबर है. फिर हम जो एसम किए थे उसको गलत दिखा देंगे तो ये रूट 3 इरेशनल नंबर प्रूफ हो जाएगा. लेट रूट 3 इज रेशनल नंबर. Therefore, root 3 can be represented by P upon Q, where PQ are integers, Q is not equal to 0, and P upon Q is in lowest form. Lowest form means कोई भी नंबर से न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर निकटेंगे. मीन्स न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर का HCF 1 है. P upon Q is in lowest form. इसका मतलब है HCF of PQ is 1. Squaring both sides. 3 is equal to P square upon Q square, or P square is equal to 3Q square. It means P square is divisible by 3. 3 is factor. Therefore, its square root P is also divisible by 3. let P is equal to 3R. Then putting this value in 2, P square means 3R square is equal to 3Q square. 9R square is equal to 3Q square, or 3R square is equal to Q square. It means Q square is divisible by 3. Therefore, its square root Q is also divisible by 3. From 3 and 4, P is divisible by 3 and Q is divisible by 3. It means P and Q both are divisible by 3. It means HCF of PQ is not 1. Therefore, root 3 is not equal to P upon Q. Therefore, by contradiction, root 3 is not rational number. Therefore, root 3 is irrational number. Proved. Question 27. Find the zeros of quadratic polynomial 4s square minus 4s plus 1 and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. इस बहुपद का शून्य ज्ञात करना है और हमें उसके गुणांक और जीरोस के बीच संबंध का सत्यापन करना है. गिवन पॉलिनोमियल 4s स्क्वायर minus 4s plus 1. We have to find factor of this polynomial, product of 4 and 1, coefficient of square term and constant term. 4 into 1 is equal to 4. Then we have to find two numbers such that their product is 4 and their algebraic sum is minus 4, coefficient of 1 power term. Those numbers are minus 2 minus 2. We have to split मिडिल टर्म इन दिस टू पार्ट्स. बीच वाले पद को दो भागों में बांटना है, -2 और -2 में. 4s स्क्वायर -2s प्लस 1. यहाँ से 2s कम ले लिया, 2s माइनस 1. यहाँ से -1 कमन, 2s माइनस 1. 2s माइनस 1 अगेन कमन, यहाँ बचेगा 2s माइनस 1. If first factor 2s minus 1 equal to 0, then 2s is equal to 1, s is equal to 1 by 2. And if second factor 2s minus 1 equal to 0, 2s equal to 1, s equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, zeros of are 1 by 2, 1 by 2. We have to verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficients. Sum of zeros. To verify sum of zeros, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. Alpha beta are zeros. Here alpha is 1 by 2, beta is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Minus b means the coefficient of 1 degree term, coefficient of s. Coefficient of s. A means coefficient of square term, s square. Coefficient of s square. B is minus 4, minus 4 upon a is 4. 1 by 2 in plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1. Is equal to 4 upon 4 is equal to 1. Both sides are equal. Therefore, relationship between zeros and coefficients is verified. Again, product of zeros alpha into beta is equal to C upon A. C means constant term, A means coefficient of square term, S square. Alpha into beta 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to C, constant term 1. A square, coefficient of square term 4. 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 4. Both sides are equal. Therefore, verified relationship between zeros and coefficient. Question 28. The coach of a cricket team buys 4 bats and 1 ball for rupees 2050. Later she buys 3 bats and 2 balls for 1600. Find the cost of each bat and each ball. Let cost of 1 bat is rupees X and cost of 1 ball is rupees Y. As per first condition, cost of 4 bats and 1 ball is 2050. Cost of 4 bats is 4x. 1 bat का cost x है, 4 bat का 4x plus cost of 1 ball y. Number 1. As per second condition, cost of 3 bats and 2 balls 3x plus 2y is equal to 1600. Number 2. For eliminating y, we have to multiply equation 1 by 2. 8x plus 2y is equal to, and equation 2 3x plus 2y is equal to 1600. Subtracting, साइन चेंज कर दिया, 2y minus y cancel, 5x is equal to 2500. X equal to 2500 upon 5 is equal to 500. Putting this value of x in 1, four into 500 plus y is equal to 2050. Minus 2000, y is equal to 50. Answer: cost of 1 bat is equal to x is equal to 500. Cost of 1 ball is equal to y is equal to 50 rupees. Question 29. A circle touches all the 4 sides of a quadrilateral ABCD. Prove that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. एक सर्कल क्वाड्रिलेटरल के चारों साइड को स्पर्श करता है. क्वाड्रिलेटरल ABCD है, ये टच करता है हर एक साइड को. AB को P पर टच करता है, BC को Q पॉइंट पर टच करता है, CD को R पॉइंट पर और AD को S पॉइंट पर टच करता है. Let a circle touches all 4 sides of at points P, Q, R and S. Since tangent drawn from outside point to a circle are equal in length, therefore AP is equal to AS. Similarly, RBP is equal to BQ. CR is equal to CQ. CR is equal to CQ. DR is equal to DS. Adding all these four, AP plus BP plus CR plus DR, AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS, AP plus BP ब्रैकेट में लिख लिया, प्लस CR plus DR, it will be CD, AS plus DS, इनको एक साथ लिखा, AS plus DS, BQ plus CQ, BQ CQ, it will be BC, AP plus BP, AB, CR plus DR, CD, AS plus DS, AD, BQ plus CQ, BC. Proved. Question 30. Prove that cosec theta minus cot theta whole square equal to 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Left hand side, cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. Cosec theta can be written as 1 upon sin theta, because sin theta and cosec theta are reciprocal of each other. Cot theta can be written as cos theta upon sin theta. Taking LCM, sin theta 1 minus cos theta whole square. Square of numerator 1 minus cos theta whole square upon square of denominator sin square theta. Sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta, because sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos theta whole square, इसको दो बार लिख दिया, 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta upon ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर फॉर्म में है, ए प्लस बी और ए माइनस बी, 1 प्लस कॉस थीटा इंटू 1 माइनस कॉस थीटा, ये दोनों कैंसिल, इज इक्वल टू 1 माइनस कॉस थीटा अपॉन 1 प्लस कॉस थीटा इज इक्वल टू राइट हैंड साइड. Hence proved. R. Prove that sec A into 1 minus sin A into sec A plus tan A is equal to 1. Left hand side. Sec A can be written as 1 upon cos A. Sec A can be written as 1 upon cos A. Tan A can be written as sin A upon cos A. Taking LCM, cos A, LCM 1 plus sin A. Product of these two, 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A, 1 square minus sin square, 1 minus sin square upon cos A, 1 by cos A is equal to 1 minus sin square A upon cos square A. 1 minus sin square A means cos square A. Reason A formula is equal to 1 is equal to RHS. Proved. Question 31. A bag contains 6 red, 4 black and some white balls. एक थैले में 6 लाल रंग का, 4 काला रंग का और कुछ सफ़ेद रंग के गेंद हैं. Find the number of white balls in the bag if the probability of drawing a white ball is 1/3. हमें सफ़ेद गेंदों की संख्या ज्ञात करना है ताकि एक सफ़ेद गेंद निकालने की प्रायिकता 1/3 हो. नंबर 2. How many red balls should be removed from the bag for the probability of drawing a white ball to be 1/2? कितने लाल गेंद हमें निकालना पड़ेगा ताकि एक वाइट बॉल निकालने की प्रायिकता 1/2 हो जाए. लेट द नंबर ऑफ वाइट बॉल इज x. Red balls 6. Number of red balls 6. Number of black balls 4. Total balls is equal to x plus 6 plus 4 is equal to x plus 10. Probability of drawing one white ball is equal to number of favorable condition is x and total condition is x plus 10, x upon x plus 10. It is given that this probability is 1/3. 1/3 is equal to x upon x plus 10. 3x cross multiplication, 3x is equal to x plus 10. 2x is equal to 10. X is equal to 5. Number of white ball is 5. First answer. Numbers of white ball. Second part. Let why red balls should be removed. Then remaining red balls इक्वल टू पहले 6 था, इसमें y निकाल दिए बाहर तो 6 माइनस y बॉल्स. टोटल बॉल्स इन सेकेंड कंडीशन 6 माइनस y रेड प्लस 4 ब्लैक प्लस 5 वाइट 15 माइनस y. प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ड्राइंग वाइट बॉल इक्वल टू number of white ball upon total balls. This probability is 1/2. Number of white ball is 5. Now total is 15 minus y. 2 into 5 10 is equal to 15 minus y, or y is equal to 15 minus 10 is equal to 5. Second answer. Number of red balls should be removed is 5.